Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how the fstring in Python works, and we will also see some of the examples using the fstring. So firstly, I have written a blog post on the fstring. If you have any doubts, just come over here and the blog post link will be in the description box below. Do check it out. So I'm just going to open the Tony IDE and I'm entering the different data types, that is integer, boolean and the string, and also we are going to enter the float. So firstly I'm going to enter the integer. So integer is equal to, let's make it a variable. So let's enter name is equal to string. Let's enter a string first. Let me enter Maulik, and age is equal to, let's enter 23, and let's enter the float. So decimal, let's enter decimal as the variable, and let's enter 2.3, and finally the boolean bool. Okay, let's make it as variable. Let's enter beer is equal to true. So what I'm doing is I'm going to put all these different data types in a single command, that is we are just going to print it in a single command. So for that we are just using the fstring. So what does the fstring does? It changes every data types into a single it changes every data type into a readable format. It changes into readable format. For example, I can say my name is, we can add this curly brackets and add the variable. So here I'm just adding the name. So the name here will be Maulik, will be printed out here. So you must add this curly brackets over here. Okay, so I will go here, and my name is the name, and I am age. Let's enter the age, and the decimal value is, let's enter again the curly brackets, and finally, and the beer is beer. So now if I print this value, you can see that, okay, I need to add the string, so I need to add the double quote. So now if I run this code, you could see that it has displayed every different data types in a single code. So as you could see, it says my name is Maulik, so, and I'm 23, and the decimal value is 2.3, and the beer is true. So that's it about the fstring. The fstring puts every different data types in a single code, and before that we were using just the normal thing. We were just printing out like this. Just we will be printing the name, or we will be changing the string types. So for example, we have seen in our old videos, we will be changing our string types like this, but hereafter you no need to change the string types. You can just enter the fstring and you can just continue with whatever data types you enter. And there is also another format, that is the dot format. We will see the dot format in another video. So for this video we have seen about the fstring in Python. So that's it about the fstring in Python, and do check the blog post I have written. So if you like this video, make sure to give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video guys.